welcome back to my channel, and today I'll show you how to make a game called Space Tacos. So here, this is the game. So it follows the mouse pointer and you have to catch the taco as much as you can. And here there's a timer and it allows you to catch the taco until it reaches 30 seconds. And then it's a game over, and you can look at the score here. So here I got 14. And also, if you want to play the game, I'll leave it in the description box below about the link. Now let's create. So firstly, let's delete this sprite 1, which is a scratch cat. Go to choose a sprite, and here let's get a sprite named Dot. And here let's add quotes. Let's make a new block first. So I'll make a block named Start Game. Click OK, and here go to looks and get set size to, let's set it to 50%, and here let's go to control and get let's go to variable and firstly make a variable name score. And here, set score to 0. After that, we'll make a timer. So go to sensing, and here, let's take the timer box, and here, get reset timer. After it, let's make another block, and this time is about moving the dog. So move dog. Click OK. So define move dog, and then go to motion. Point towards mouse pointer, so it will follow the mouse pointer. So whenever you move the mouse, the dot will go with you. And then go to motion here, move, not 10 steps. Let's reduce it to 2 steps. And here, let's combine both of the code. To do this, let's go to events and get one green flag clicked. Go to my block, start the game. After that, go to control and get repeat until. Repeat until, go to operators and get more than block. So here, go to sensing and get timer. So here, it depends on how many seconds you want to give for the game. If you want to give it 1 minute, then do like 60 seconds or something like that. For me, I want to give it 30 seconds, so I'll do 30 seconds here. And here, go to my blocks and get move dog. And then after it, let's go to looks and get the say block. Not for 2 seconds, I mean go to say, and here, don't put it in repeat until, put it under it, and then it will say game over. So done. And then after that, let's get a new sprite. And this time is what the dot sprite will eat. So I think we could go to food and get something. For me, I'll go with taco, because the name is catch the taco, right? So here, taco, and here let's add some block. Let's make a new block named reposition taco. So this will help the taco to go to its position. Position taco. And here, go to motion and go to random position so that the taco will go to any random position and anywhere of the screen so that the player can catch anywhere. Here, go to looks and get show blog. And after that, let's make a new blog named check if eaten. So it's just similar to the game that we made. Yeah, so another thing named check if eaten, the catch the snowflakes. So this blog will help the dot to catch the taco, and then when it is done catching it, then this blog will check if it is eaten, and then it will make you add a new score. So go to control and get if then. So if something then, so touching, if it is touching the taco, the dot, then it will start sound. Let's go to sound and get start sound pop. You can add any other song, but I think it is a good song. And then go to my blogs and get reposition taco. Here, go to variables, change score by 1. So this will increase the score by 1. Now let's add both of the code to be together again. To do this, let's go to events and get one green flag clicked. Set the size to 25%. Here, then reposition the taco. Go to control and get forever. And then go to motion, turn how many degrees. So let's do it 5 degrees. And then it will check if it is eaten. Check if eaten. So here. So now it is already done, but let's add a backdrop because it looks too plain. So let's add a backdrop space. Let's add a space backdrop since the dot has a space. So what about this star one? It looks kind of good. So here. So finally, let's test the game to see if it's work or not. So as you can see, it is working. But it's kind of boring because there's only one taco. So what about we duplicate more taco? We don't need to do add more codes or anything, just duplicate it. You cannot duplicate as much as you want. I think about 5 is enough because if we do it too much, then because we cannot catch all of them, right? So let's just do for about 5. Then when it was eaten, it goes to another position, it reposition that, and then it increases the score, right? So we can see that the game is actually working. And then the timer is also increasing until it reaches the 30-second. Here, if you do it about 1 minute, then it will go up to 1 minute. And the sound is also here. When it reaches the 30-second timer, it's a game over. And then here you can check your score, which is 18. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.